my Civic. I'm dipping in my Civic, my Civic, my Civic. I'm bouncing in my Civic, my Civic, my Civic. I'm riding in my Civic, my Civic, my Civic. I got the free gas Civic.
What's going on, y'all? It's your boy, Let's Ride 254. You tune in for another one. It's a beautiful day here in the garage. As you can see right here, I got the 160 maximum PSI 1.6 gallon 1.6 horsepower 26 gallon tank hooked up. Got it pressurized all the way up. Make sure that, you know, it's doing what the dude said it was gonna do. So it's holding its pressure. You know what I'm saying? No leak, you know what I'm saying? And I got my big one over here. I think this one is slowly losing. This is where it's supposed to be. 150 PSI max on that one, but a 2 horsepower, 33 gallons. So all together, you know, do your math, children. You know, 33 plus 26 is what? Boom, 59. And that's what we're trying to get to. Well, not really. We're just trying to get to 60. But 59 will do for what we're trying to do. I'm pretty sure. So as y'all know, we're prepping to get ready to do surgery on the Chevelle. Gonna be buying a grinding wheel or angle grinder. We as you've seen in the other videos, you know what I'm saying, we got to cut off wheels and everything like that. By the suggestion and recommendation of Zoe 72 Chevelle Rider. He brought up some good points, and that's why I'll be going with a Ryobi angle grinder. The way that it's made, it's just a whole lot easier for cutting, so that's why I'm doing that one. I do have a couple angle grinders, but they're not. They're probably good for grinding, but they're not going to be actually good for this cutting that we're trying to do. So this one made by Hitachi. As you can see, Hitachi G12 SR3. All you do is push down on the button and then engage it. Just like this. It's actually a lot. Like that's a damn workout. Like, ain't nobody got time for that. So, with the button being so close to the cutoff wheel, you know, if you were to take this guard off, it'd be real unforgiving. So, no one's trying to lose any digits. And by digits, I don't mean phone numbers. I mean fingers and pankers. And we got this other one right here. This one is a Great Neck 4.5 inch angle grinder. This one I actually picked up from where did I get this one? Great Neck AutoZone. So I did accidentally cut the cord. Don't judge me, shit happens. But I was able to put it back together and it still worked after the fact that I had bought this one. So basically where we are now, as you can see, I mean, it's still kind of the same like motion has to be done with this. Like you gotta push and do all of that. With the Ryobi, if you check out Zoe 72 Chevelle Rider, he just did a video going live, showing him in action with that Ryobi cutting off the quarter panel. So very, very, very much simpler design. If y'all haven't been watching the live, as you can see, we got the garage cleaned up quite a bit. Got our weld over here. I was preparing to get our air compressors. Oh, got a little fuzzy. Preparing to get our air compressor wired the way it need to be. What the videos that I've seen a lot of videos, and it's just like a lot of back and forth, and everybody doing it a whole different kind of way. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in like more into detail on another video, and I'm going to let y'all know exactly how I'm going to do mine. Like I said, I'm trying to do it the most simplest way possible. the most cheapest way possible, the most affordable way possible for things that I can. This compressor, dude put it up on Marketplace, $100. Like, you can't beat it. 26 gallon Craftsman oilless. Being that it was really just like a backup tank, I really don't think it was that bad of a deal. But like I said, I'm gonna figure out how to get this stuff wired up. From some things that I saw, it was like running a 3-way from over here, and then linking the two together, and then having another. I'm not really sure. And then putting a regulator on the line, and I don't know, man. I'm just compiling all this information and making my best estimate or assumption on how I'm gonna do this. So I have accumulated quite a bit of knowledge, and so I'm gonna be putting that into the worksheet soon. So basically what I'm gonna be doing, I'm running an 8-foot. Nah, yeah, I gotta wait for it. So you run an 8-foot joint from here. I'll go ahead and tell y'all. Running like an 8-foot joint from here to here. It's a 3-way joint that's gonna go on here. From there, that will allow the thing to do. It's a dude made a video. On YouTube, man. It's like a 4-part series. Fucking videos is 44 minutes, 40 minutes, 30 minutes long. So I've been trying to decipher and sift through all that footage and see what he has good to say, along with all the other people that's making videos. So bear with me as I get it together, man. As soon as I get it together, because I'm not gonna drop no fucking 30-40 minute video on y'all. As soon as I figure out for sure what we gonna do, then that's what we gonna do. So this is just a Chevelle update, letting you know that we are finna get ready to go ahead and cut this quarter panel off. Like I said, we clean up the garage and all of that, so it's gonna be done. So it's your boy LSL Rock 254 signing off. Done.